Here we go again. Ryan, it's great to see Aaron Ramsey, Gareth Bale named in the squads. Have you been monitoring the fitness? If so, how are they right now?
Yeah, I have obviously. Aaron's played the last couple of, in the last couple of games for Juventus, so that was good to see. He looked sharp, full of running, so yeah, we've not had Aaron yet in the qualifying campaign, so yeah, with a quality player like that, it gives everyone a lift. And Gareth obviously got injured, just a little knock really, it wasn't too serious in the Croatia game, and yeah, we just, he's hopeful. I've been in contact with him that he's going to be fit for the game, so we'll just have to monitor that.
People talk about game time, you know, obviously it's important, but with those type of players, is it so as important? Can they just pick up from where they left off last time?
Well, you know, when you have the experience that the two lads have, probably manage it a little bit more, and both have you know, been out for periods of time in their careers, so they know the rehab, they know how to come back, and they know how to prepare themselves. So hopefully that's the case with especially Gareth.
I know with Aaron in Juventus, it's early days and he's been in and out. What have you made of the early days out there and the way he's playing in the system with Sarri and everything in Juve?
Yeah, the games that I've seen, obviously a lot of the games Juventus dominate possession, so that suits Aaron, and he's a different sort of player to a lot of the players that they've got, the midfielders. You know, he wants to run in behind, he wants to penetrate, he's always a goal threat, and also he can drop deeper and is comfortable on the ball. So yeah, he just needs a run. Needs a run in the team, and you know, I'm sure he'll be a success. And
of course, players coming back. It's the old story of players missing out as well. We've got Joe Rodon, who's just looked fantastic since he started playing for Wales. He's going to miss out, but other defenders are back, so it's good and bad, I guess.
Yeah, no, it's a shame. I mean, you know, the last two games was the only two games where I've not changed the team. I've picked the same team, so to not be able to do that again is obviously disappointing. But like you say, Chris Mepham's back, who missed out last time. Obviously Ash is playing regular, and James Lawrence should be fit. So yeah, we've got a quality player, probably one of the best players over the last 4 games, and Joe Rodon missing. But yeah, we've got players coming in.
Another Joe missing, unfortunately, not through injuries. Joe Allen, how much of a loss will he be in Azerbaijan?
No, I mean, the experience that he brings and the quality of his play, it will be a big loss, but you know, it gives a chance for other players to come in and stake a claim. 2 games to go.
Azerbaijan away is the first one, the big one, obviously. How hard is it out there? Because people tend to say, oh, it's just Azerbaijan, but the best result away was the first one, and you played in 2002, and that was only 2-0, so it doesn't look like an easy place.
No, I mean, I think that the travelling and trying to break a team down is always difficult, and you know, we found that at home. We didn't play particularly well, they frustrated us, so we need to do better. But yeah, it's not an easy place to go, as Croatia found out. They only drew 1-1. So yeah, if we turn up, obviously we've got a great chance because of the quality that we've got. So it's all about us really. But like you say, it's not easy.
And it may be out of our hands, but it's not a bad situation where, you know, if Croatia do what they can do, it's back in Wales' hands again.
Yeah, and that's why it was important to take points off Croatia, because they need points. They need to get something out of this game. So if they'd have beat us in Cardiff, then they wouldn't have needed the points. So it was a big result against Croatia, because now they need to get something against Slovakia. But yeah, we need to concentrate on ourselves and make sure that you know, we win the 2 games.
Big week. You looking forward to it?
Yeah, I am. I mean, obviously this week's the worst bit. You know, you're just watching the games and hoping you don't get any injuries. And yeah, when we meet up Sunday, you hope that everyone that you've picked is healthy and fit and raring to go. So yeah, it's a nervous few days, but once we get on camp, then I'll be excited.
Brilliant. Thanks so much. Good luck.